there's a smile, may pagod. Behind every I'm okay, may lungkot at pangungulila. As healthcare workers dito sa Doha, Qatar, sanay tayong maging strong. We handle emergencies, we comfort patients, we show up kahit pagod na. Pero this Valentine's Day, pinili naming huminga. Hindi madali maging nurse abroad. 12-hour shifts, emotionally draining days, at may special occasion, malayo ka sa pamilya mo. As OFWs, namimiss natin ang birthdays, namimiss natin ang holidays, minsan namimiss natin yung sarili natin. Pero along way, binigyan tayo ni Lord ng mga tao na magpapagaan ng bigat. And this year, finally, natuloy din. Itong Yacht Day na to, 3 years in the making. 3 taon ng planning, 3 taon ng next time na lang, 3 taon ng cancel kasi may duty ang iba. Duty always comes first. Pero siguro, ganito talaga. Hindi lahat ng delay, denial. Minsan, blessing lang siya na hinihintay ng tamang timing. And, finally, nangyari din. Pagdating namin sa marina sa The Pearl at nakita namin yung mga yachts, parang reward na agad. For a moment, hindi kami nurse. Walang call bells, walang charting, walang hospital noise. Friends lang. Ready na mag-sing. So, ayun guys, welcome to our special episode ng ating vlog. Dahil today is February 14, Valentine's Day celebration. Kasama ko ang aming colleagues and co-nurses and their family. Let's celebrate Valentine's Day. Nandito na sa yate po tayo guys. Let's go! Isa dito, Finn. Hello ka sa camera. Hello! Hello. 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 So ayun guys, so andito tayo sa The Pearl. Ito ang ating yate na narentahan guys. So kung bago lang kayo sa channel na ito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe na kayo. And click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga video. So ayun guys, let's go! Happy Valentine's! Habang dahan-dahang umandar yung yacht sa gitna ng Doha Sea, may nag-shift sa loob ko. Yung hangin, parang freedom. Yung dagat, parang therapy. For once, tahimik yung isip ko. As an OFW nurse, natuto kang maging independent. Matutong maging matatago. Matutong kayanin lahat. Pero habang tinitingnan ko yung mga kasama ko, tumatawa, nagpipicture, nag-enjoy, may na-realize ako. Family isn't always about blood. Minsan, family, yung mga taong kasama mong napapagod. Kasama mong lumalaban. Kasama mong nag-duty ng madaling araw. At nung araw na yon, I felt home. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yan, nasa yacht tayo. Woo! Yeah! Happy Valentine's Day pala sa mga people dyan, and let's celebrate this with our colleagues, mga co-nurses natin here in Doha, Qatar.
So, nandito kami sa yacht. Yeah! Yes!
You can throw him now, brother, outside.
Oh, group shot, open!
Oh, group shot ka, group shot. Dapat ano, kuya? Yung group chat dapat ano? Ano yun? Jump shot, jump shot.
Oh, jump shot! Wait!
Jump shot. Whee!
Siyempre, Filipino nurse to. May bingo. At grabe, competitive talaga ang nurse. Ang ingay ng tawanan, ang daming asaran. At sa mga oras na yon, hindi kami stress healthcare workers.
Sabi mo, si 70.
Kuya, bunggoy mo.
And 45.
Gift exchange. Hindi naman importante kung gaano kamahal yung gift. Ang importante, may appreciation. Because in healthcare, araw-araw tayong nagbibigay ng time, ng effort, ng puso, and sometimes, ang sarap din makatanggap.
Thank you, Ate Jenny.
Welcome, wait lang ha. Wow! 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 Uy!
What's this?
Uy, maganda yan! I love it! Galing! Thank you! Ito, tingnan natin. May Ate Flores! Uy! Ay, mabango ito! Mapaganda! Ay! What is this? Pang-ano? Maganda pang hindi. Pang-hangin. Oh, kailangan ko to. Ano yan? Power bank. Mababaon ka. Uy, hindi ko alam. Thank you, ate.
Uy!
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night.
O mga pinalaki ng second.
Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise.
Habang lumulubog yung araw sa Doha, natahimik ako. 3 taon na paghihintay. Ang daming nakakapagod na shifts, ang daming sakripisyo. Pero sa moment na yon, may peace.
Nothing's broken.
Ay ka naman dyan, kaway-kaway.
Nothing.
Kaway-kaway te. Kulil, kaway-kaway.
Only the sunrise.
Ate, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Lagi mo na. Kaway-kaway naman dyan.
We'll always have that one night. Come morning light. We'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna
Babalik.
just for a moment more be close to you. We'll always have that one night. We'll always have that sunrise.
Mahirap maging OFW nurse. Namimiss mo yung pamilya mo, namimiss mo yung simpleng celebrations, namimiss mo ang Pilipinas. Pero days like these remind you kung bakit ka lumalaban. Malayo man tayo sa pamilya natin sa Pilipinas, pero dito sa Qatar, nakahanap tayo ng isa pang pamilya. At minsan, sapat na yon. Sa lahat ng nurses at healthcare workers na nanonood nito, okay lang magpahinga. Okay lang mag-celebrate. Okay lang din piliin ang saya. Lagi tayong nag-aalaga ng iba, pero huwag kalimutan, deserve mo rin ang healing. Deserve mo rin ng healing, guys. This Valentine's wasn't just about love. It was about friendship, gratitude, and surviving together. This is Nurse Graves Travel. Let's enjoy our Crave Ventures together.